guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek. I want to say weekend because Josiah's on spring break, and I feel like literally every day is a weekend. With that kid, and he was so happy that he could stay up, so he been a little party animal. He was awake this morning when I got back from the gym. I get back at 5 and he was still awake. When I went out to start this video, he was still awake. So he's been a little party animal, which means yes, he most likely gonna sleep all day. And so yeah, so if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow. If you take a second to subscribe, also make sure to smash like button, girl, and of course, don't forget to hype your girl up. So as far as my midweek, I think I need 15 offers for 5. We got another bonus as well, and I'm gonna be getting back $5 for that one as well. I think that one I might need 25. I don't remember, but I'll pop it up. And then we're tracking for that larger bonus as well for $10 back. If I can, okay, if I can, you know, knock them all out, you guys, and get back 20, oh my God, that would be amazing. Let me know what you guys got in the comments. Now, today I will be trying BeFrugal again, all right? They have been working out for me, all right? Let me know, for those of you who tried it and it wasn't working, have you gone back and tried again? Because it does seem to be working right now. Like, my last receipt took 4 days to process. I got all of my points that I was expecting, and so I'm gonna try it again today. I'm gonna do, I think I have 3 offers to do today, and we're gonna see if they work out. So I'll let y'all know. I'll probably pin a comment or whatever, but hopefully it works out again. And so with that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart. I do have a Target household deal I will pop in after my Walmart part. It's just one I saw on IG. There's been so many deals, y'all, with Target and the household. So many different options. It's amazing. And so I did do another one. I'll pop that in at the end. And so with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart so we can have awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you're into, hit the like button and keep on watching and hype your girl up. Walmart, you funny. You real funny, Walmart. It's on rollback, y'all, by 4 cents. Like, what is 4 cents? Part of your CRV? Anyways, this deal here is on the Gatorade lower sugar 6-pack. It's on rollback to $5.20. Getting back $1 on one of the sister apps. Getting back $2.50 on Ibotta would make it $170. All right, so next up is the Gatorade lower sugar on the single bottles. This is on the 28 ounce. They're priced at $178 for this. We're grabbing 2 of them. That total is going to come to $316. We're going to use that BOGO coupon right there. Fly right, BOGO. That's going to take off $178. I have used this in self-checkout. It does work. You'll pay $178 and then you'll get back 89 cents for each on Ibotta, making them both free. Now, I also have an offer on Fetch Reward for 80 cents back when you buy 2. So it's going to basically make them both an 80-cent moneymaker. Right. Next up is the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar. I think I might pass on this. I'm not really sure yet. I'm going to give myself some time while in store and see if I change my mind, because Lord knows I have a lot of it at home already. And so 3 different options. You can grab the 64-ounce Tropical Punch, Mixed Berry, or the Cranberry. They are priced at $367. And that total is going to come to $734. Getting back $5.50 on Swagbucks and $2 on Checkout 51 will make them both a 16-cent moneymaker. Now, we also have an offer on the Strawberry Mango as well. So you'd pay $734. You'd get back $6.50 on Swagbucks, making those 42 cents each. And then last but not least, we have the 3-liter bottle, priced at $4.96. 2 of them is going to come to $9.92, getting back $7.50 on Swagbucks. $2 on Checkout 51 would make them 21 cents each. You could also grab the 6-pack. Let me see if they even have it. I've been getting a 3-liter because, let's be honest, I'd rather have 3 liters than 3 little small bottles, which is 60 ounces. How much is a liter? How much is a liter? I'm just curious now. How many ounces 3 liters is? It's 101 fluid ounces. So yeah, I'd rather have 3 liters than 60 ounces. And so you could grab this as well. It would be around the same price. Actually, you know what? I don't think the offer on Checkoff 51 would work for this one. And so, yeah, not as great a deal on the 6-pack. All right, next up is the ballpark Franks. In the comments, do you do regular size Franks or do you do super long Franks? I like super long Franks. Anyways, either way it goes. Actually, you know what? I don't see the long, oh, the long ones are down here. They are priced on rollback for $2.84. Grabbing two of them, that total is going to come to $5.68. We'll get back $2.50 on Swagbucks and 60 cents for one on Checkoff 51. It would make them $1.29 each. I'm going to hold off on this because I'm really hoping that the offer goes up on the sister apps. And so, yeah. So I'm going to be grabbing the Suavitel Refresher again, priced at $4.68. Two is going to be $9.96. I'm going to submit on BeFrugal for $6.21, $1.10 on Checkoff 51, bringing them down to $1.02 each. So happy that I found a store that finally restocked on the Finish. They are priced at $4.94. We've been using this $3 coupon from coupons.com. That'll bring the total down to $1.94, and then getting back $2 on Ibotta would make this a 6-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. All right, so the next deal is on the Airwick. I'm gonna try this. I did see Crazy Deals and Steals do this deal. She posted it on IG, so I'm gonna grab one of the 2-count oils at $5.98. I'm gonna try using this $4 coupon right here. It'll bring the total down to $1.98. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta would make it $1.48. So I'm gonna try one and see if it works. Next up is the Airwick starter kit. It's priced at $3.97. Now I've been using the $3 coupon right here. It's a Knox coupon, and so you'll end up paying 97 cents, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. We'll bring that down to 47. The last thing over here is going to be on the Glade. It's on the Room refreshers, priced at $2.98. Getting back 2 on one of the sister apps and 2 on Checkout 51 would make that $1.02 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Persil. They only have 2 of the 84 ounce bottles left. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one. Big shout out to Couponing Deals for this. She posted it on her community tab. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab it. Now the Persil is on a timer. I think mine is at 22 hours for Ibotta. So I'm going to grab one at $12.97. I'll be getting back $4 on Ibotta. There's also $4 on one of the sister apps. $4 on Fetch for spending $12. I'm bringing this down to 97 cents. All right, so this next deal is on the Tide on the Go. This popped back up on Fetch Reward. I only actually have it on my newer Fetch account. And so we're going to grab one, price at $8.97. We'll get that back on Fetch, making this absolutely free. Well, kind of free. All right, and next up is a field agent job. This is a buy and try on the Ozark brand. Now for this, I think there was like 4 different ones that popped up. This is the one that I got. I did do curbside, and one of my Walmart accounts doesn't charge me or make me hit the $35 threshold, and the other one does. I'm not sure what the difference is. I don't have Walmart Plus. And so I grabbed this one here, priced at $13.88. You're going to get back the price of the item plus sales tax plus $1.50, making this $1.50 money. So next up is the dial. I finally found some hang tags at Target. However, they did not scan for me. So grabbing one at $3.12. If the coupon scans for you, it would be $2.12 out of pocket. You'd get back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Shopkick, making it only 12 cents. All right, this is another field agent buy and try on the Softsoap. I had to grab the green one, and I figured since we have offers right now, let me see if I can make it an even better deal. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 at $5.22. Ended up paying $10.44 out of pocket. I got back $7.22 on field agent, which was the item plus $2. And then $4 on Walmart rewards, $4 on inbox dollars, and then 50 cents on Checkout 51. But I also hit the 51-cent bonus as well, making both a $5.90 moneymaker. All right, just so happened to be checking the clearance section, and I found these. I think this might be Christmas clearance. I'm not sure. However, they're priced at $2. So I went ahead and grabbed one, got back two on Ibotta, making it free. I also went ahead and grabbed one for both of my Walmart Reward accounts as well, getting all three for free. Next up is the Shaq Extreme 5. It's priced at $6.78. I'm grabbing one, using this for a living room right here. I'm going to end up paying $2.78. Getting back three on Ibotta will make that a 22-cent moneymaker. Next up is the Nair. I actually grabbed the one that was right here. It's priced at $5.84. So two of them is going to be $11.68. Getting back $8.17 on BeFrugal for buying two. And then $2 for each on Ibotta will make that a 49-cent moneymaker. All right, and last but not least is on the Schwarzkopf. I'm going to be doing this deal again. Grabbing one of the regular ones, the keratin color one, priced at $11.97. Now for this, I'm submitting this on BeFrugal for $5.70 for buying one, 3 on Checkout 51, and 3 on Fetch, and then 3 on Ibotta. So to make it a $2.81 moneymaker. I'm gonna grab a second one of the blonde, also priced at $11.97. For that one, I'll be getting back 3 on Ibotta, $3.50 on Swagbucks, 3 on Checkout 51, and 3 on Fetch, making it a 53-cent moneymaker. All right, guys. So here is my complete amazing haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I did have some hiccups. We're gonna get into it. But other than that, at the end of the day, everything worked out good. I got back extra money I wasn't expecting, so this worked out to be just amazing. I'm gonna try to be quick because I got this SpongeBob ice cream right here. I was hoping it would reset on Ibotta, but it hasn't yet. But I think I got it later in the day, and then I was hoping that the scrubbing bubbles would reset as well. So, as far as coupons, my dial coupon did not scan, y'all. I wanted to do a giveaway, but how am I gonna give away something that ain't even working? I'm not even gonna waste my stamp trying to give away something that's not gonna work. So let me know if you guys have used this coupon, if it worked for you. I don't know if it's because my barcode is too tiny. The cashier was so freaking awesome though. She was trying. She took a picture with her phone. She enlarged it and nothing worked. So that's why I didn't get the dial. All my other coupons worked. I mean, I don't think I had a lot of, I had the Finish, which is working. Both of the Airwicks did work, which was cool. What other coupons? The BOGOs on the Gatorade work, and the razors worked as well. My OTC, for my P&G OTC, it didn't work today. I don't know if it was because I was on a scan and go register, but it did not work for me today. And it's been working for me. I've been able to stack them with Walmart Rewards. I've been able to stack them with Ibotta. And so I just wanted to mention that. I'm so excited about that Ozark water bottle, y'all. Listen, I was looking at some on clearance today because I need a new one. Like my purple one, it's huge. I like it. But I was at the gym and I was on a machine and it kind of came down and broke the top. And I low-key like Bob the Builder it up. So it still do the job, but I was in the market to get another one, and to be able to get that on Field Agent is awesome. I wanted two. I wanted a black one and I wanted that one, but I got that one, which is really, really cool. I'm still waiting for part 2 for the Field Agent job. I just hate that they only pay you $1.50. Like you get 50 cents when you do part 1, and then you get $1 when you do part 2. Y'all, I was tripping today. Yesterday and today, I don't know. I've been so flustered. I mean, Walmart Rewards, forgetting to activate my offers. I had to go do a return yesterday, repurchase. Today, return, repurchase with the Persil and with the Dove. Now, with the Persil, something crazy happened. Like when I returned it and repurchased it, it showed that I was getting back the 4, and I already had 2 on my account, so I had 6. And but when she did it, it printed it out, the $4 that I was getting back in rewards. It printed it on a paper with the barcode. It wasn't scanning. She tried manually enter, it wasn't working, but I showed her that it was on my account. And by the time I left, I was on my way to the car and I noticed that I actually had 10 instead of 6. So I don't know, somehow I got back an extra 4 for that. I'm not sure why that happened, but it did. I'm not complaining. I did do 2 Subway Field Agent jobs. I did one yesterday and the day before. I had to get the club, and yeah, it was good. That was dinner for me for the last 2 days. And so that processed pretty fast. I have the soft soap for Field Agent, and I have the Ozark water bottle. I was so excited about that, y'all. I got the Like Air at Vons, and I got the Wild at Vons. I finally found the Like Air. I've had that offer for a minute, but I couldn't find it nowhere, and I finally found it at Vons for $3.99. I got that back. The Wild was $8.99. Got that back, both for aisle offers. And I think that's basically it. The offer for the Gatorade, I had it on Ibotta when I went in, but by the time I checked out, it was gone. I'm just keeping them. Look, it's a great deal anyways. And so I have a lot of receipts, y'all, so I'm not even gonna bore you with trying to show you all my receipts. Yeah, I'm not gonna even bother. All right, so everything you see here retails $263.07. I had $38.56 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $224.51. Our sales tax was $15.83, high as hell, I know. Ibotta getting back $72.85. Field Agent is $52.60. Again, I am still waiting for part 2 for the Ozark, but I am counting that. Best Reward was $24.57. BeFrugal is $20.15. The Nair was rejected, and I do have that one in manual review, so I'll let you guys know how it works out. It's been working out lately, so we're gonna see what happens when there's a problem, because that's it right there. What you gonna do when I have a problem? PayPal, we cashed out $19.62. Walmart Rewards is $16. Target Rewards was $15. Swagbucks was $13.50. Aisle is $12.98. Checkout 51 was $12.11. I'm still waiting for one receipt to process. Inbox dollars is $10, and last but not least, Shopkick was $4.06. So I walk away with a total of $273.44 back in rebates. It's gonna make everything you see here free, plus a $48.93 moneymaker, y'all, which is awesome. Because if you, I know those of you who from Cali, I'm Cali here. Hello, Cali, right here. Raising my hand. Gas, okay? Gas. I got gas yesterday. It was $5.58. Like what? I'm about to give me a bike. I told Joseph, babe, about to give me a bike. I'm gonna give me a bus pass. You know what I mean? Because these gas prices, you know, I'm not driving nowhere. I don't have to drive because it's crazy. But anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, oh, I have a giveaway. So if you made it to the NN, then this is the giveaway. Okay, I haven't did a IP giveaway in a long time. And I thought since we have some good IPs that I would do a giveaway. All right, so we're gonna do the Finish because we just got a new one on coupons.com. And I'm gonna do the Airwick, the $4 one, because that one also works on a 2 count, which is cool. And so because they come 3 per sheet, I'm gonna do 4 winners, all right? And we're gonna do 3 coupons for each one, basically. And all you have to do, of course, you gotta be subscribed. But I know y'all subscribed. I know. Make sure you like. Look, we be struggling with the likes. It's okay though. And then comment IPs and some hearts. What else? Hype. Duh. Hype your girl up. And I'll pick 4 winners for my next Walmart video. And I'm going to email you the IPs, which I think is cool. Because why mail it when I could just email it to you here, you know? And so with that being said, I hope that you guys have an amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.